Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. There is a big update from Mindtree. Mindtree is hiring 2022 and 2021 pass out batch. Job role will be software engineer. Qualifications should be BE at BTech. You should have at least 60% in your 10th, 12th and in your graduation. Salary will be 4 LPA, exam pattern and what is the selection process I'll discuss in this video. So let's get started. When you'll click on the apply link which you'll find in the description box, then you will be redirected to this page. This is the official website of Mindtree. Here you can scroll. Here you can see CSE, IT and circuital branches candidates are eligible and 60% is criteria and last date to apply is 11 November 2021 4 p.m. If you'll click here to see the job description, you can see job description. This PDF will be open. Here you can see all the things. Let me zoom this. Yeah, let me zoom this. This is the hiring process. So there will be total 4 rounds. First round will be aptitude test, second round will be coding test, third round will be technical discussion, fourth round will be HR interview. I'll make a separate video on each of the round, so don't worry. Here you can see all the things. No active backlogs, no gap during the engineering, but you can have gaps between 12th and in your graduation, between 12th and graduation, but no gaps during the engineering, please note. Okay, yeah, and no active backlogs. Yeah, so how to apply? Just you need to click here to register. Once you click here, then this Microsoft page will be reloaded. Here you need to fill this form, fill all the details, and after that click here submit. If you are eligible, then you will receive your exam link after a few days. Okay, yeah, so while filling the form, if you face any difficulties, you can feel free to ask in comment box. Now let's talk about very important thing. If you are looking for a job in big product based companies with higher package, then Relevel is providing a big opportunity. What you need to do, you just need to write an exam. Relevel has launched their app on Play Store for Android user and on App Store for iOS user. You can download the app either by clicking on the link which you will find in the description box, or you can directly search on Play Store or App Store. So if you are an Android user, just search on the Play Store and you can download this app. This is the Relevel app, Relevel by Unacademy. So here you need to click here open. Once you will install, then you need to click open. Once you'll open, here you can see there are a lot of top companies which are hiring through Relevel. Cred, Upgrade, Cure, there are a lot of companies. So just click here no more. Here there are 3 steps. First one is take the Relevel test, second one is interview with employers, third one is accept the offer letter. So in these 3 steps you can get your job offer. So now how to register? Just click here register for free. After that you need to choose your dream job. Either you can choose your business development test, front end development test, back end development test, business analytic test, or data analytic test. Suppose if I want to select business analytic test, just I need to select here, click here select. When I select here, you can see the test structure, phase 1, phase 2, all the things. So you can do all the things by this app. Like you can book your free slot by this app. You can see your scorecard, all the things, except you just need to have a laptop or desktop to take the exam. Okay, for to take the exam you need to have laptop or desktop. Other than you can do all the things by this app. So I suggest you download this app. After that, how to book a free slot? Now you click here, or you can download the voucher. Okay, you can download the voucher. Now you need to click here book your free slot. Once you click here, you need to enter your mobile number and just enter your contact details, and just you will receive an OTP. That's it. So yeah, these are the top companies which are hiring through Relevel. You can see Cred, Upgrade, Misu, Scap, Grow, lot of companies hiring through Relevel. So if you want to work in these companies, give Relevel exam today. So, and this is very trusted platform by Unacademy. So now this is the Twitter page of the Relevel achievers. Here you can see all the Relevel achievers. Here this is Aryan. He scored 750 marks out of 1000. He got offer in backend engineer. Here this is Shubham. He scored 855 marks out of 1000. So here you can see there are a lot of level achievers. So and yeah, so this is the update. So if you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in comment box. And yeah, all the links are in the description box. Okay, yeah. So if you think this video is helpful, like this video, and you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide link in the description box. If you think this video is helpful, like this video and subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video.